You're looking at a 2018 Chevy Volt plug-in hybrid, 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 89,000 miles. This is a Premier, so it is fully loaded. ABS, traction, stability control, keyless entry, alloy wheels. Car's in excellent shape. Has every option available. It's got a charging port right here. So this is a plug-in hybrid, so you can drive it on gas or electricity. On electricity, you get about 52 miles. And then once it runs out, the gas kicks on and gets about 42 miles per gallon. This car comes fully loaded. Heated seats in the front, actually in the rear too. Parking sensors, pre-collision system, navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heated steering wheel, Bose sound system. Exact mileage 89270. Lane keep assist, blind spot monitors, Bose sound. Heated seats in the rear as well. Chargers right there. We also do have the all-season floor mats for this vehicle that come with it. If you're interested, please give us a call, 508-921-0301. Thank you.